I spent over $3,000. Today we are going to be talking about my filming gears. Yay! Beautiful people, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ayola and I'm a Nigerian content creator based in Dallas, Texas. And I know it's been so long I did a sit down video for you all. If you ever saw me sat down, it would probably be in a vlog or something. And today's video is one that I am very much excited about, as in levels don't change now, you know. Let's get this intro started. If you're new here, thank you for dropping by. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know you're an answer to prayers. And today, for 5 years now, I have been on the YouTube space and I've always been very ambitious. I always wanted to get my guests, and if you're guessing right, yay! For a couple of vlogs now, if you've been following me, I think it's just very noteworthy. I almost did not do a sit-down video for this particular reason. But I thought about it again, that if you've been following me for over 5 years now and you've been watching my videos, you've always known that I've always wanted to get my guests together, get better filming equipment and all that. I've been saving up for it for years, but in the past couple of months, a lot of things are getting in place. By the way, if you don't know, I'm currently filming on my iPhone, and so if you're seeing shadows, if you're seeing anything, just know that's the reason. But one thing I know is that levels is about to change. Today we are going to be talking about my filming gears. Yay! Here today I spent over $3,000 to get my new filming gears. Yes, I know, I'll put the Nigerian currency rate on the screen, and yes, I know it's shocking, but this didn't come. It's an investment that I know that it's very worthwhile, and I've just gotten to a point where this is an investment I can make. This is a bet I can make on myself as a content creator and as an aspiring influencer and things like that. This is a bet that I have told myself that is worthy, and it's worth it right now, right here. So we are speaking gadgets and we are speaking money. I'm just going to give you a cost breakdown and also show you my new gadgets that I bought. In subsequent video, I will be letting you know how I think that they are doing. I'm already using my GVM light. I got some of them from Best Buy. Yeah, let's start with the biggest one, right? The biggest cards in the bag. But this is an unboxing that deserves a video of its own. So I bought it from Best Buy, and it's a company that I bought my computer from. And I've been using that system for over a year plus now. It's an HP system, and they accept me, so I did not buy a new system. However, if I'm going to be, I edit on my system now, so I'm going to be putting it also. It's my HP laptop. I don't know the make or anything like that. I will put it on the screen, and I would also put in the amount that I got it, just so you have a good cost breakdown of everything. So this, I have not opened this box since I purchased it. It's going to be a Canon or a Sony, but I realized, and after speaking to a couple of people, I spoke to a couple of my friends that are very much into gadgets and cameras and things like that, photo, consulted them to finally make my decision. So it was between the Canon and the Sony, and majority of them went for the Sony. According to, Canons are good, but for vlogging cameras, Sonys are generally lightweight. They are lighter in the hand. Wait, by the way, this is a Sony Alpha A7IV. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Yes, I think I'm pronouncing the Sony Alpha A7IV. That's what I went for. I wanted to go for the Sony ZV. It's the camera, it's the body and the lens, the kit lens that is in here. I wanted to go for the Sony ZVE 10 or 1, I don't know, but I realized that I was not looking for just a vlogging camera. I was also looking for a camera that can be very good for photography, and I'm still hoping to invest more in a DJI Osmo. So after my research, also reading up on everything, I realized that this is an hybrid camera. This camera can do both. It can both be a vlogging camera and a picture camera. So I'm like, okay, you know what, I'm into fashion content, especially on Instagram. I was like, okay, that would be a much better investment. Then I also asked ChatGPT, of course, what was going to be the best option. For vlogging, the Sony ZVE was said to be the best option, but for pictures it wasn't. And I suggested that, okay, what if I wanted to get a DJI? Would that suffice? And it was like, oh, a DJI would do almost the same job the Sony ZVE is doing, but the DJI won't do the job of this Alpha 7. So that's my justification for getting the Alpha 7. Now let's unbox it together. So it came all compact. This box has the lens, the kit lens, and it has the camera.
Yeah, you're fine, just like your mama. Sweet as honey with a little bit of drama. Take a bite, you know I wanna. Can I get a little taste? Take some pressure off you, baby, yeah. Let it all hang out. Now see what that's about. Let me take a trip down south. So much I wanna do. Go ahead, get down. Spin that body around. Oh, I'm going crazy about the way you move, yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah, you know that I'm on you. I wanna make you mine. Oh yeah, you're tripping hot like the sauna. Baby, you're summertime fine. Baby, you're summertime fine. So spicy. Yeah, so spicy, and it tastes so bougie, pricey. But she get her style from the 90s. Got the LV bag with the Nikes on. I think you like me, ooh, you know you like me, girl. Looking like wifey, ooh, you just excite me, girl. Let it all hang out, tryna see what that's about, yeah. Let me take a trip down south. So much I wanna do. Let's go ahead and get down. Spin that body around. Oh, I'm going crazy about the way you move it, go. Oh yeah, you know that I'm on you. I wanna make you mine. Oh,
I'm speaking camera, like I'm speaking camera. I'm so excited. My video quality is about to go up and I'm very excited about that. Up next is the GVM lights that I bought, and this camera, I brought the receipt because I just wanted to be very sure. It cost me $2,159.99. That's $2,160 basically. That's how much this camera cost me. I'm an leg. I literally emptied myself out for this camera, but it's been a long time coming and I'm very glad that I was able to get it. The GVM lights cost me, I would find the exact amount, but it cost me like $198 to get it. The next purchase I'm going to be making is either the DJI microphone, because it's one thing, I know people can forgive bad quality video, but they never forgive a bad sound video, because why would they be watching you if they can't hear you properly? So I'm going to be investing in that also. It doesn't come with the camera. A microphone doesn't come with this camera that I got. I thought it was going to come with even just a tripod stand, but it did not. But I have this Austin 7070 tripod stand that I have been using since 2023 from Nigeria, and it's still very much sturdy, and I most likely would stick with it for now. So the GVM lights, I got the light of like 2-panel lights, and I'm currently using it, although why you're still seeing shadows is because I did not properly place it, and I'm running late for work while shooting this video. And the next thing you are seeing that I got is the tablet. This is not part of my filming gear, honestly. This is not part of my filming gear. It is a gift for my nephew, but it is such a pretty gift. I would love to open this up, but unfortunately I won't, because it's a gift and I would like him to open it up himself. So that's the reason I spent almost $3,000, because this tablet in itself cost me $949, like almost $1,000. It is an adult tablet. I don't own a tablet myself, but my nephew is such an amazing child that I'm willing to invest this much in his growth, in his education, in anything that he needs, in his extracurricular activities basically. And so yeah, that's what this one is. It's not actually part of my filming gear, but the next thing on my filming gear list that I actually own and use is my laptop, HP laptop that I currently use for almost all my editing, except my reels, my Instagram reels. I don't necessarily use them. I use my phone to edit my reels still. But before I got this laptop, I never knew how to like edit on the system. Like I've never edited on the system until a couple of years back when I invested and got this laptop, and it made my editing process very easy. I could see things like in bolder fonts. I have a desktop that somebody gave to me, like it's not a desktop, it's a monitor, but I don't have the space to set it up just yet. So my computer is the only screen that I have, and it has served me. I won't even lie, it has really served me. So if you are a content creator, you're aspiring to be one, I would say start with what you have. However, as you grow, I hope you remember enough and you know enough to actually invest in yourself. Like there is nothing that will beat you investing in yourself. You would see the fruit in the long run. And this is also my open call to brands to please to work with me, because I am confident enough that I would deliver an amazing job, and I also have the right equipment to support that ecosystem that I am trying to build. So if you are a brand and you've seen my videos, you've seen what I do. I'm into lifestyle, education, I'm into faith-based content. Please reach out to me and I hope we'll create magic together. So that's all for that I own as filming gear. Will I be buying more? Yes. Maybe this video is a bit premature, but I just think that you all deserve to know that we have moved to a much wider open space, and I am super proud of everything that I have been able to accomplish in YouTube as a content creator, not just on YouTube but every other platform over the couple of years. And I just want to say thank you to YouTube for believing in me, for watching my videos, for dropping your feedback, for just loving up on me and believing that this will go into something even bigger. Thank you so much. I truly do appreciate, and I would see you guys in another video. That's all for my filming gear, and this entire filming gear is over, by the time I add it up, I'm sure I'm going to put it on the screen, it's over 4 million naira. Yes, because dollar to naira today is ridiculous, but then again, it's over 4 million naira. So this is an investment. I keep saying investment because this is not luxury buying, this is not passion buying, this is an investment, because I believe that with this I would have an improved work rate in general. Would I have preferred a MacBook? Yes, I would have preferred a MacBook, but for now I can't afford it. I would rather invest in other things like a microphone, a softbox if possible, rather than buying a MacBook for now. This works just fine, but if for any reason something changes along the line, I would invest in a MacBook. But for now, account me shaking. My account is doing anyways, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and also drop a comment, tell me congratulations, drop a camera emoji, an HP, a computer emoji, or a light emoji, just to show that you watched the video to this point. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in my subsequent video, and thank you for watching my content creation gear haul. Bye guys.